Hi, this is Rick. Today we're going to create and process a contract, a preventive maintenance contract in this case, in ERP and Cloud. So you log in with user credentials, click on the support module, then click on contracts. There's a certain path you have to follow. A contract form will open and then you fill in the mandatory fields like contract name, customer. Select the contract type as a preventive maintenance contract. Then we can create and send a sales order for the contract. If both parties agree to the contract, click on Start Contract. The contract comes into effect from the start date mentioned in the contract. So you have to create a sales order, so you fill up the expected fixed price and click on Sales Order. Select the service type of the product which you want to define for the contract and click on Make Sales Order. It will create the sales order in quotation state, and then you process the order and invoice. So let's see how it's done in ERP and Cloud. So we'll go to the support module, and in that module you'll find contracts. So we'll click on that and we'll create a contract. So we have to name the contract. This is the full page. So we'll give the contract a name for ABCD Limited. Then we select the customer and the account manager. Could be an administrator, an individual, whoever is assigned to manage these kinds of contracts. Then you select the contract type, and there are four options: preventive maintenance, comprehensive, non-comprehensive maintenance, software maintenance contract. So we'll select preventive maintenance contract. So the start date, you have to select that. So we'll say April 4th. And we want, I think, a 1-year contract. So we will select 2015 and the 6th. So this will be a prepaid contract, and we have to determine the number of service units. And so we'll say 5 over a 12-month period. And then time taken per service, it can be an hour, 2 hours, whatever. Then you can click here to select Want First Service, and that'll generate a work order. We're not going to do that right now, though. We're going to go ahead and finish completing the details of this contract. Now here, you can't generate the work order until you get a price. So we'll select a price of $2,500 for this. And again, it's over 5 services, so that would be $500 per service. And you can see here we have 5 work orders. So again, they're divided, the 5 units, over a 12-month period. Okay, so now that we've done that, we've completed everything we need to do except generate a sales order. So here's the opportunity. So we'll create a sales order for the customer, valued $2,500. Populated the details of the company and the service. Then we confirm the sale. Now that the sale is confirmed, we can create an invoice. So we created the invoice, and now we'll validate that. So once we validate the invoice, we receive payment, we register that payment, validate it, and you can see that we did not select a payment method. So now we selected a payment method, and we have our journal entry. So it's all reconciled. Now we'll go back to the service contract, and it's been invoiced. So there's nothing to be invoiced. You can't re-invoice. There's your sales order. It's done. And now we can start the contract. So that's what it takes to process an order for a contract and set up the contract. I hope this has been useful. Thank you.